junk in the engine bay. This one is super common. I can't tell you how many thousands of customers and diesel truck owners and diesel shop technicians have made this mistake. Most radiators are made out of plastic. Plastic end caps with aluminum core. And it works. Radiators fail. Some common, some uncommon. Not common enough to make a full-length video about it, but the 6-liter Powerstroke specifically has a little tiny plastic nipple right where every single human being on the planet steps up on the bumper and leans down on the radiator to inspect their belt, their oil level, their coolant level, whatever. It's like the perfect spot where everybody places their hand to support their weight as they're inspecting the engine and leaning forward. And what happens is just the tiny amount of weight from your hand leaning forward will snap that plastic nipple off the back of the radiator end tank. Now you got a major issue. I've seen people try to JB weld them back in. I've seen people try to use metal inserts to put them back in. Regardless, the hillbilly backwoods brush-shaped fix that you did in your driveway, it never works. They either restrict or obstruct the coolant that's flowing out of that line, and it causes other issues down the road. So get you an aluminum radiator from Mishimoto, not some junk that's been remanufactured and sold on eBay for half price. We've seen those come through the shop, and all they end up with is blown head gaskets because the reman companies that are using the Mishimoto end tanks are using a Triton V8 radiator core, which is like an inch thick, and it's not enough cooling capacity for the 6-liter Powerstroke. End up overheating the truck. We had a customer one time, we did head gaskets on the truck. He left our shop, paid his very expensive head gasket repair bill, drove to North Carolina, broke the tab off his radiator, bought a remanufactured Mishimoto off eBay and had it overnighted to his hotel. He put it in the parking lot. It had the Triton V8 core. He drove from North Carolina up to like Virginia, blew the head gaskets, and couldn't figure out why. We warrantied it. We don't pull the radiator usually. It goes up in the air with the cab. Warrantied the head gasket job, put it all back together. He made another trip, blew the head gaskets again. That's when we started getting curious because it just wasn't normal. Most of our head gasket jobs never came back. We were doing very thorough upgrades to make sure they never came back. Super frustrating customer, super frustrating situation. We ended up pulling the radiator. We found that it had the Triton V8 core in the radiator, so it couldn't cool the 6-liter engine down, especially for a guy that was only towing with the truck. So we put an actual Mishimoto in it with a really thick diesel-rated core. Never saw the truck come back again. Stupid things like that cause major issues. Stop being cheap pieces of crap and buying garbage parts from China for your truck. Buy quality, pay the money. Your truck deserves it. You deserve it. Create a good experience for yourself. Stop being cheap asses.